Okay, so we're working on the 1979 Plymouth Volare custom engine. It's the 225. I just got done putting this on and torquing it to 30 foot-pounds. These are 200 inch-pounds. 9/16 there, and I believe that's half. We have the distributor installed. Cylinder heads on, and all the valves are adjusted. So oil pump goes here. We have one of those. Fuel pump will be going there. Your distributor actually goes up here. Oh, we have new pistons installed, new bearings on the connecting rods, and new main bearings. Over in this area. I'll clean this up before I put the oil pan on, and a new rear main will be installed. The top half is in. The front main bearing's already in there. Okay, so really coming along well. Really happy with it. I was a little bit worried about the cylinder walls at one time, but they cleaned up nice, and it all turned out good. So this is John Rudy with Rudy Racing, signing off.